The control area network for the electronics, those are the CAN high, CAN low, power, and ground that supply the components. So let's take a quick look under the hood. So this keypad, I'll show you this real quick. These are Deutsch connectors, great connectors. They are rubber sealed, wedge lock, you pop it out, easy access to the pins for maintenance. So to traditional CAN colorings, yellow and green. Yellow is CAN high, green is CAN low. And then I've got black for ground, red for power. That's all that communicates all of those buttons and all of these other components. The CAN is like a superhighway. All of the electronic communications are traveling over those same wires. Every light, every button, every little thing has its own address, its own name. So it's looking for something with its name on it, and then it sends a signal. It sends a signal out to the controller. So let me reconnect this. And if you look inside the box, this is a very clean wiring schematic. There are quite a bit of wires, but much less than there used to be. I've got two different nodes in here. This gray node is what we call an OX module. So it's an output module that translates a CAN signal to a digital or analog output. And then I have the main controller, which is the SX, it's the 50-pin controller that basically has all the software in it. Okay, so this is the brains here in the blue. The gray is the output. But the CAN communication between the display, the keypads, the switch, all these things are through those two wires, the yellow and the green wire. Makes it simple when we do our diagnostics and we looked on the screen, we could see those components, and I tested them. That's how CAN works. We can easily sample and look at those components. So I'm going to put this back down. This is my control. Got internal grounds. Very clean system. It is designed to be pretty foolproof on the maintenance and operation because the connectors are all moisture sealed. They're IP67 or IP68 rated. There we go. We'll tighten these down when we get ready, but that secures the box. Armrest, because I'm driving along, want to be able to be secure in that, so that gives me something to rest my arm, so I'm very comfortable, and my movement of the joystick, I've got good controllability.